Signature design, high performance, one-pass technology, this is what makes our CROC a classic. Have you ever wondered who designed the ergonomic shape that revolutionized the hair industry? It's shaped like a crocodile for a reason. Now your thumb can rest comfortably on your tool in near perfect alignment versus the old difficult way. Bye, arthritis. Our patented digital display stops the guesswork in setting your temperature. Simply adjust the settings up to 450 degrees and watch how fast it'll reach your desired heat level with near perfect heat distribution. Our black titanium plates are non-stick and ultra smooth. This is why we can offer a 5-year limited warranty. The ventilation holes release heat pressure, which allows you to easily style and curl the hair. Also, it prevents your iron from overheating. In our upgraded model, we incorporate infrared technology, which softens and seals the cuticle, locking in moisture for treatments. The black titanium plates are designed with nanotechnology to stop static electricity from frying your hair or damaging your iron. You'll see immediate results, frizz-free, straight hair in one pass. And the less passes you have to make, the healthier the hair. But that's not all. The infrared rays actually eliminate bad odors and sanitize the hair. When you're done, don't forget to shut off your iron. But if you do forget, that's okay, because it shuts off after 30 minutes of non-use anyways. I hope you enjoyed this educational product video. If you did, like, follow, subscribe, you know, all the regular things. We'll see you next time.